Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 8th class mathematics. Chapter number 5th. Comparing quantities using proportion. 5th chapter. Today we will learn the exercise 5.3. In this exercise today we will learn the 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th problem. Today we will learn it 4 problems. Yeah, first part is it's over. 1 to 7 problems it's over. Part 1. Today we will learn the part 2. 4 problems. Today we will learn it only. Remaining problems part 3. After later, next class after later I will explain it. Later only. Remaining problems. Today only part 2. 4 problems. Today we will learn it only. Are you understood of the previous class Gagan Sai? Yeah, 5.3 in Telangana state book. Are you understood 1 to 7 problems? It's over. Are you understood? Yes. Are you any doubts in previous class?
No.
No doubts. Shall I start the today class?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, first of all I read the problem in our textbook.
Okay.
I read it only.
Okay.
Be carefully, listen better, neatly. Arif took a loan of rupees 8,000 from a bank. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, find the difference in amounts he would be paying after 1.5 years. If the interest is compounded annually and compounded half yearly. Compounded annually and compounded half yearly. It's over. Those are examples and it's over. All our problems it's over. Based on those topics today we will learn the exercise problems. Year means is 12 months. Half year means is 1/2. Okay. Yeah, first this is the question only. First I explain this problem. What is given, what is asked. First from a bank is give. That one is rupees 8,000 only. Next rate of interest is give for annum. Per year annum is interest is give. That one is the 10% is give. Find the difference in amounts he would paying after 1.5 years. 1.5 years we have to calculate the amount. Next, if the interest is compounded annually and compounded half yearly. Compounded annually 1.5 year. Amount we have to calculate only. First one. Next, and compounded half yearly also. So that amount is also we have to calculated next only. Next, both amounts is calculated. After next step is the difference in amounts. What's the difference between these two amounts? Compounded annually and compounded half yearly. Amount we calculated. That amount is final answer only. Are you understood Gagan Sai neatly? This is the explanation only. First one by one how to calculate it. First given data I have to write it in our given problem. What is given, what is asked. One by one I write it only. First given. Harith took a loan from a bank. From a bank. How much amount of loan is gave? Rupees 80,000 rupees is rate of interest for annum is give. A rate of interest. For annum. Annum is give, that is 10% is give. Next, year. Year is give. Time period. Time period give, that is 1.5 year. years. Next, to find the difference in amounts. How to find out the difference in amounts. What's amounts? Amounts is, first one is compounded annually. First, read and understand the problem. Very easily calculate one by one on solution. Very easy to solution on. First, understanding is very important. Compounded half yearly. Okay? Yeah, to find these two amounts, we have to calculate it only. After lot of difference of these two amounts, we will get the final answer. Yeah, first let the solution for this problem. Yeah, first bit, compounded annually. Annually means year. So first, what is given? Compounded annual, what is given? P is given. That is the Harip took a loan from a bank, that is P only. So P equal to 80,000. Next, rate of interest is given. That one is 10%. Next, time period. Time period T equal to 1 year only. First, we have to calculate the 1 year. The amount on simple interest for 1 year. Next, half year only. Simple interest on half year only. Okay, individually we have to calculate it. First one year, next after 6 months only. Half year only. Half year means 6 months. So, simple interest. Do you know the simple interest formula? You already know the formula. What's the formula?
PDR 300.
Very good. This is the simple interest. All are the values are substituting in this above formula. We will get the simple interest. P is 80,000 into T is 1 year into rate of interest is 10 by 100. 0, 0 cancel. Simplify this one. We will get this one. How much of value? We will get remaining product. What's the remaining product? 800 into 1 into 10 equal to 8,000 rupees. Simple interest is 8,000 only. So amount, I want the amount. So A equal to P plus I. P plus I means P is 80,000 plus interest is, how much of interest we will get it? 8,000 interest only. Sum of these two terms we will get the amount. So what's the amount? Amount is A equal to 80,000 plus 8,000. So we will get the 88,000. This is the amount. 1 year amount. 1 year amount equal this one only. So next, half year only. Half year. Interest on half year. We have to calculate the interest on half year only. We have to calculate the interest on 6 months, half year. 6 months means a half year or 6. So this 6 months means is the amount. Amount is equal to P value. Here it is the P only. After 1.5 year. Year after half year. So that's why A equal to P. So that is 88,000. Okay. P equal, amount equal, same only. But don't take this one, this amount, this P value. But don't take it, this amount only. Why? Because here 1.5 year. 1 year. Next half year. A equal to P only. This amount we should consider here. We should take this one only. A equal to P. Equal to 88,000. And next R equal to same. For annum equal same interest only. Next T equal, here it is 6 months only. Six months means half year. So interest, simple interest, already know the formula. dt r by 100. These all our values are substituting in this formula. P equal to 88,000. 10 rate of interest is same. T equal half year by 100. Simplify this one. 2 zeros cancel. And next another is also cancelled. 2 1 ja 1, 2 5 ja 10. Remaining product. What's the remaining product? 80 into 5. We write it the remaining product. 88 into 5. Multiplication of these two terms. How much of value we will get it? Or we will come. 500, 5 8 ja 40. 5 8 ja 40. 40 plus 4, 44. So 4400. This is the interest on half year interest only. So total amount. Therefore total amount to be paid after 1.5 year. 1.5 year compounded annually. Okay, 1.5 year compounded annual. 1 year you already know. That is A equal P plus I. Here P equal 88,000 plus I interest this one only. 6 months. 1 year. This one amount equal to this one. Amount plus interest. 6 months interest is 4,400. So sum of these two terms, we will get the total amount of 1.5 year compound annually amount. We will get it only 88,000. Next 4,400. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Next 0 plus 4, 4. 8 plus 4, 12. 8 plus 1, 9. Rupees 92,400. This is the total amount of 1.5 year compound annually. It's over. Next we have to find out the second one. Second one is compounded half yearly. This is also, what's the Hari has to pay the compounded on every 6 months only in 1.5 year. Hari has to pay compounded on every half year means is the 6 months only. Half year, 6 months. 6 months in 1.5 year. Okay, in 1.5 year, how many 6 months there? 3 times. 3 times period will be occurred. Okay, 6 months plus 6 months equal to 1 year plus another half year. Half year means 6 months. So 1.5 year. 1, 2, 3 only. So 3 times. 3 times months will be occurred in 1.5 year. Time period is n equal 3 times only. Time period is 3 times. So 3 times periods will be occurred in 1.5 year. Therefore, n equal time period n or t equal is 3 only. 3 times. Okay. Next, p equal same. P equal to is already gave in our given question only. So that is the 80,000. Next, n equal to this one only. N equal to this 3 only. Next, r equal to, here it is the half yearly only. Half yearly rate of interest. Half yearly only, not for annum. So half year means is a half only. Rate of interest by 2 only. So half yearly. So 1 ja 1, 2 5 ja 10%. Are you clear Gagansa neatly? That is previous one is a compounded annually. So that's why directly for annum 10% directly only. But in your second one compounded half yearly only in given question. So by 2 only. Half year means is a by 2 only. So we will get this 5% only. Next, compounded the amount. First we have to calculate the amount on the compounded interest only. First amount calculated only. What is the amount on the compounded interest formula? You already know only. P into 1 plus r by 100 into whole power n. You already know this formula. So all these R values are substituting in this above formula. We will get the amount. This is the half yearly amount. 1 plus R. R is 5% by 100 into n. N is 3 only. Gagan are you understood? Yeah, this is the lengthy process. So simplify this one Gagan Sai. This simple calculation here it is Gagan Sai. 80,000. Yeah, this is the big calculation only. So leave it only. So simple calculation. Simple calculation means this one only. Here it is 5 by 100. Yeah, this is the very simple only. This is better only than comparing of this one only. This is the very lengthy calculation. That is leave it only. Here it is the simplify only. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. 0. So 20 is the LCM. Take 20 is the LCM and 20 plus 1 whole to the power of 3. Yeah, this is better only. Yeah, 21 by 20 whole to the power of 3 only. Because this is the chota. So yeah, multiplied by 21. This fraction is multiplied by 3 times. Why? Because power is 3 only. So 21 by 20. Yeah, this comparing, this is the very better only. So take this one only. This is lengthy. And big calculation. So leave it. Okay, this is leave it. This is, we should consider this one only. Because this fraction is very simple only. Chota one. So 80,000 into 21 into 21 into 21 by denominator is 20 into 20 into 20. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, triple zeros 8000. 3 zeros, simplify this one, 3 zeros cancel, and cancellation in the table of 8 table, 8 1 ja 8, 8 10 ja 80. So multiplication of these three terms, 21 into 21, 21 into 21, 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So 1 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 4, 441 into again 21. So 21. This is the rough calculation. 1 1 ja 1, 1 4 ja 4, 1 4 ja 4. Next 2 table. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8. So sum of these two terms, 1 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 8 12, 8 plus 1 9. So 9 into 10. So 1 0 extra. The 92,610. What is this amount? Compounded of yearly amount. This is A2 amount and the first one is A1 amount. Compounded annually amount is A1 and compounded half yearly amount is A2 amount. So what is asked in this question? What is asked? Find the difference in amounts in both this one only. So finally how to find out the difference between these two amounts. About these two amounts. Two amounts means is the A2 and A1. Okay, so comparing A1 and A2. What's the A1? Here write it this one only. A1 equal to rupees 92,400. Next A2 equal to 92,610 only. This is the rough calculation. Okay, so yeah, which one is bigger? This one is A2 is bigger only. The difference between these two only, A2 minus A1, how much of amount we will get it only in both these two amounts. So difference between these two only, 92,610 minus 92,400. How much of value we will get it? 0 minus 0 0 and 1 minus 0 1 and 6 minus 4 is 2 and then again this is 0 only. So that's why what's the amount? How much of amount is the difference? Both one? This one only. Difference equal to this one only. Therefore the difference, this is the final answer. We will get the final answer only. The difference, what is asked in this question? Find the difference in amount. The difference in amounts, both amounts equal rupees 210. This is the final answer. Are you clear, Gagan neatly? Very simple. One by one we write the solution. One by one you calculated it. Very simple only. This is very big one. So leave it. This problem solution is over, and next we will go to the 9th problem only. First of all, I read the problem in your textbook. First I read it. Be carefully, listen better, neatly. Let's see the problem. I borrowed rupees 12,000 from Prasadi at 6% per annum simple interest for 2 years. had I borrowed this sum at 6% per annum compounded annually, what extra amount would I have to pay? Yeah, this is the question only. Yeah, very simple. This question also. First, explain this problem. First, what is given, what is asked only. So I borrowed from Prasad. Simple interest is gave only for time period, 2 years time period. Rate of interest for annum rate of interest is gave, that is 6% is gave, and P equal to amount equal to gave only, that one is the 12,000 only. Person borrowed this one only. And next compounded annually 6% only. I borrowed this sum at 6% per annum compounded annually. What extra amount would I have to pay? This is also first calculate the simple interest only. Next calculate the compounded interest. Both amount, you have to calculate the both amount only. What is the difference between these two only? Simple interest, the amount on the simple interest you have to calculate it first. Next the amount on the compound interest, that is also calculated only. Next the difference between these two only, what's the extra amount you have to calculate it. Given data you have to write it in your given problem. I borrowed from Prasad equal to how much of amount borrowed from Prasad? 12,000. Next, rate of interest for annum. Annum is rate of interest is give, that is 6% only. 6% of rate of interest is give, and time period is give, that is 2 years. To find what extra amount would I have to pay? Okay, first calculate the simple interest amount A1 calculated, and second one A2 calculated. Okay, compound interest. Okay, are you clear Gagan sir? Neatly both first amount, if what, because here it is asked is in given problem asked is amount only, what extra amount. So first you have to calculate the first A1 amount calculated, next A2 amount calculated, but finally what is the difference between these two only. So how much of extra amount would I have to pay only, that is final answer only. Write the solution step by step. Listen better neatly.
Yes, listening, Mama.
Write the solution step by step, very easily only. First calculate the simple interest only. Simple interest, what is gave? P equal to rupees 12,000. Next rate of interest is gave, that is 6% per annum is gave, and time period is 2 years is gave only. So first calculate the simple interest. Okay, this one first only. So simple interest formula, do you know the formula Gagan Sai?
Yes.
You already know the formula. So PTR by 100, we know that this formula. All our values are substituting in this above formula, we will get the simple interest only. So simplify this one only. 2 zeros cancel, and remaining products, what's the remaining products? 120 into 6 into 2. So 6 2 ja 12 into 120. What's the product of these two only? 120 into 12. 12 ja 12 into 12. So product of these two terms 0, finally you write it the 0 only. First 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2, 1 2s are 2 and 1 1s are 1. So 4 4 2 plus 2 4 plus 1. Here it is the 0, write it 0 only. Final answer. What's the simple interest is 1440. This is the simple interest. Yeah, simple interest amount we got it only. Next I have to calculate the amount. Amount formula. What's the amount formula? P plus I only. P plus I. P is 12,000 plus I is interest is 1,440. So we will get the amount only. Sum of these two terms we will get the amount. 12,000 plus 1,440. So sum of these two terms, how much of value we will get? This is the rough calculation. Write it in the right side. 1,440. So 0 plus 0, 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 4, 4, 2 plus 1, 3, 1. So 13,440 rupees amount, simple interest. The amount on the simple interest amount equal to this one only. Therefore the amount equal simple interest, this amount. Next another one only, same only, this amount. Here it is, here has to pay the amount after 2 years at the rate of interest is same on compound interest only. You have to calculate the amount on the compound interest. You have to calculate the amount on the rate of interest is same. Okay. Next time after 2 years only. Okay. Calculate this one only. So therefore he has to pay the amount after 2 years. He has to pay the amount after 2 years. After 2 years, the amount, we have to calculate the amount on the compound interest. After 2 years, we have to calculate it only. Calculated the amount. Compound interest. So what's the formula? P into 1 plus R by 100 into whole power n. Here P equal to 12,000 is given. Next R equal to rate of interest is same. Next n equal to, what's the n period is 2 years. These are the values are substituting in this above formula, we will get the amount. So P equal to 12,000. Next 1 plus R equal to 6%. So next whole to the power of n is 2. So 12,000. Next here it is, take the LCM called 100. So 1 into 100, 100 ones are 100 plus denominator is same. You write it the same numerator as it is, you write it. So next 12,000 into 100 plus 6 is 106 by 100 into whole to the power of 2 only. So 12,000 into, remove the brackets, this fraction is multiplied by whole to the power of 2. So multiplied by 2 times only. This fraction is multiplied by 2 times. Why? Because power is 2 only. So simplify this one. 2 zeros is cancelled, and one more 0 is also cancelled. We will get the remaining product. What's the remaining product? 120 into 106 into 106. Multiplying of these two terms, how much of value we will get it only? 106 into 106. Okay. 6 6 ja 36. 6 0 0 0 plus 3 3. 6 1 ja 6. Next 0 0 0 0. Next 1 1 6 ja 6. 1 0 0 1 1 ja 1. So sum of these three terms. 3 plus 0 0. 6 plus 6 is 12. 0 plus 0 1. So 1 1. Yeah, this is the 11,236 into 120. First 0 0 0 0 0. 5 zeros only. Next again 2 table. 2 6 ja 12. 2 3 ja 6. 6 plus 1 7. 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2. Next 1 table. 1 6 ja 6. 1 3 ja 3. 1 2 ja 2. 1 1 ja 1. 1 1 ja 1. So sum of these three terms 0, and next 2. 7 plus 6 is 13. 4 plus 7. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 1 8. 2 plus 2 4. 2 plus 1 3. 1 as it is, write it. Yeah, how much of value we will get it? This amount 13,48,320. By here it is 10 also. Okay, by 10 only. So 10. So put the point. 13,483.2. This is the A2 only. This is the A2 amount. This is the A1 amount. Simple interest, and this is the amount on compound interest only. So finally, yeah, these two amounts we got the answer. We got it only. So finally, what is asked in this problem? What extra amount would I have to pay only? So the difference of these two amounts. These two amounts means is the simple interest. The amount on the simple interest and compound interest. The amount on the compound interest only. So what is the A1 equal? Rupees 13,440, and A2 equal 13,483.2. So difference A2 minus A1. This is the A2 is bigger one. So this one rupees 13,483.2 minus 13,440. Okay, so both these difference, how much of value we will get it only. 13,483.2. Next another one 13,440.0. So these two, difference of these two only 0, and next 3 minus 0 3, 8 minus 4 4, and next it is 0. So what's the amount? Amount equal this one 43.2. Difference this one. What extra amount? What extra amount would I have to pay? This amount, extra amount, this one only. Therefore finally we can say that amount, this one only. The extra amount. This is the difference. That one, the difference means is extra. Would I have to have to pay. What extra amount would I have to pay? The extra amount would I have to pay amount is this one only, rupees 43.2 only, this extra amount only. Okay, or hence the extra amount would I have to pay is this one, rupees 43.2 only. Otherwise, therefore, the extra amount would I have to pay this only. This is the final answer. We will get it only. Are you clear? Gagan say, are you understood? Calculation is very big calculation. Today class. This is the all are the big problems. Calculation and solution is also very big only. Okay, word, all are the word problems, so big problems. Okay, next this problem solution it's over. Are you understood, Gagan side?
Which problem?
Yeah, very easy. Ninth problem also. These are the two amounts is we have to calculate two amounts, and finally difference of these two amounts we will get the final answer only. Above process model like this same as the above problem model, process model only.